Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC B1659 indicates a fault in the front interior LF antenna circuit in the Honda Accord 2023 and newer models. Specifically, this code signifies that the body control module has detected an earth fault, meaning there is an unintended connection to ground or a short circuit in the antenna line. The body control module is a critical component that manages various electrical subsystems, including lighting, door locks, and the antenna system. It is typically located within the interior of the vehicle, often near the driver's area for easy access. The front interior LF antenna plays a vital role in receiving signals for the vehicle's keyless access system, essential for starting the engine and unlocking doors. When the module identifies an abnormality in the antenna circuit, it stores this DTC, prompting further diagnosis to locate and resolve the issue. The error described by DTC B1659 pertains to the front interior LF antenna circuit. The body control module is responsible for monitoring this circuit and its function. When it detects an earth fault within the LF antenna line, it classifies this as an abnormality, triggering the storage of the DTC. The body control module, generally located beneath the dashboard or in the driver's side area, connects through various wires to components such as the LF antenna situated in the front of the vehicle. The primary role of the body control module is to facilitate communication between the vehicle's electrical systems, ensuring smooth operational performance. Thus, any disruption caused by earth faults can impede essential functions like keyless entry. Several potential causes may lead to DTC B1659 being triggered. One major cause is shorted wires in the circuit that connects the front interior LF antenna to the body control module. A short circuit occurs when a wire makes unintended contact with another wire or ground, leading to abnormal readings. Another possible cause is a faulty body control module itself, which may malfunction and not properly interpret signals from the antenna. Additionally, the LF antenna could be damaged or malfunctioning, leading to failure in signal reception. Identifying the exact source requires a systematic inspection of each component and circuit involved in the antenna system to ensure comprehensive troubleshooting. Symptoms indicative of DTC B1659 can vary, but typically include failure related to keyless entry functionality. This could manifest as the vehicle not unlocking or starting when the key fob is nearby, due to the malfunction in the LF antenna. If the system is unable to receive signals, the one-push start feature may also become unresponsive, preventing the engine from starting. Furthermore, there may be general unresponsiveness in other interior features that rely on the body control module for operation. Therefore, drivers experiencing these symptoms should consider the potential link to an antenna circuit issue and proceed with diagnostics based on the DTC. The initial step in troubleshooting DTC B1659 is to perform a Honda Diagnostic System (HDS) self-check. This self-diagnostic tool aids in identifying existing trouble codes and confirming the condition of the body control module. It facilitates a quick scan to pinpoint issues specifically related to the keyless access control unit. After initiating the self-check, the system will generate diagnostic information, helping to verify if there are other DTCs present alongside B1659. If additional codes appear, it's vital to address those before concentrating solely on B1659. Especially when multiple DTCs may affect the same component or circuit. Following the self-check, the next step involves inspecting the external circuit associated with the front interior LF antenna. This step includes meticulously checking both the EXTF Plus and EXTF minus lines for signs of shorted wires. Disconnected connectors are essential during this examination to prevent false readings. When monitoring for shorts, the ideal condition is to observe a resistance greater than 1 megaohm between these pathways. Should a short be detected, particularly to ground, it indicates an issue that must be rectified. Such problems might necessitate the replacement of faulty wiring or the repair of any damage found in the circuit. The third troubleshooting step focuses on the body control module itself. After confirming that the external circuit is operational, the body control module should be inspected for proper functionality following the disconnection of the front interior LF antenna connector. In this step, the module's internal circuits are tested, necessitating that the ignition IG mode be on to detect any voltage output. It's crucial to test for proper voltage levels while ensuring connections are secure and free from corrosion or damage. If the module is found to be at fault, then replacement may be required, rendering it non-functional in controlling the antenna signals. If all previous inspections indicate normal conditions, the final troubleshooting step involves testing the front interior LF antenna. This process is essential, since the antenna is the remaining component that could be the cause of DTC B1659. The testing usually involves verifying that the antenna can correctly receive and transmit signals used in keyless access functions. If the antenna fails in its operations, it should be replaced, as it could inhibit the functionality of critical systems relying on accurate transmission. Ensuring this component operates effectively is vital to restoring full functionality to the vehicle. Once all necessary repairs and replacements have been made concerning DTC B1659, it is essential to perform a final verification to ensure all systems function correctly. This starts with clearing the DTC from the system using the HDS device. Following the clearance, a comprehensive test should be carried out to confirm that all operations related to the keyless access system, including starting the vehicle and unlocking doors, work as intended. Any subsequent DTCs should be noted, as they may indicate residual issues or new problems. A successful verification process ensures that the vehicle operates smoothly and is free from related faults. Preventive maintenance is crucial to avoid future occurrences of DTC B1659. Regular inspections of wiring and connections associated with the front interior LF antenna can help identify issues before they escalate. Special attention should be paid to connectors for signs of corrosion or wear, as these factors can generate faults in connections. Moreover, ensuring that the body control module remains unexposed to moisture and contaminants will enhance its longevity and reliability. Adhering to scheduled maintenance routines can improve vehicle performance and reduce the incidence of electronic faults. In concluding the troubleshooting for DTC B1659, it is essential to understand the implications of this error code. Recognizing that the front interior LF antenna circuit is under the purview of the body control module enables targeted diagnostic efforts. Following the detailed steps outlined ensures a systematic approach to identifying and resolving the issue efficiently. Confirming normal operations post-repair reassures that keyless functions and starting mechanisms operate as they should. Lastly, maintaining vigilance through preventive measures can prevent future disruptions, safeguarding vehicle functionality and reliability over time. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.